Hi, I'm Dr. Davis.
Hi.
Nice, how are you doing?
Good.
Hey, we're gonna check your cranial nerve 1, and we're gonna do a smell test, okay? So could you plug one nostril and inhale? Good, do it on the other side for me, and inhale. Excellent, now I'm gonna have you close your eyes and plug a nostril and inhale. Good, can you smell that?
Yes.
Good, do it on the other side. Good, what did you smell?
Cinnamon?
Excellent, was it the same intensity on both sides?
Yes.
Well done. All right, next I'm going to have you take a look at the wall out there, and we're going to take a look at the fundoscope. Nice. There we go. We're looking for AV nicking, hemorrhaging. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Checking for papilledema as well. Clear on both sides. Then we're going to do the visual fields test, okay? So I'm going to have you look straight ahead at my sternum. I'm going to have you cover one high, and then I'm going to hold up 1, 2, or 5, all right?
Okay.
And you just tell me when you can see it.
1, 2, 5, 5, 1, 2.
Good. Switch eyes for me.
5, 2, 5, 1, 2. 5, 1, 2.
Good. Excellent job. Now we're going to go ahead and check for papillary fatigue. Make sure you're good there. So look straight ahead for me, and we're going to shine the light in each eye. Good. Good. And we're on the temporal side, and we're trying to see if you can hold constriction, and I'm not seeing any quivering. Excellent job. All right, now we're also going to check just for direct and consensual. So I'm going to have you look straight ahead again, and we're going to be checking to see that both pupils constrict when I shine the light in either eye, okay? So, good, and we'll check the other side. Good. And again. Excellent, constriction on both sides. So if we had a normal finding, if I shine the light in the right eye, and neither eye constricts, then that would indicate that we have a cranial nerve lesion on the right eye. Okay, yep, excellent. All right, now we're gonna have you look straight ahead, and I can just look for ptosis. Good, and then we're also gonna look for blepharospasms as well, so go ahead and close your eyes. Excellent, we're clear there as well, excellent job. All right, so now we're gonna do convergence and accommodation. So if I can have you focus on my finger.
Okay.
Good. In. Now look at the wall, and look at the finger, look at the wall, look at the finger, look at the wall, and back at the finger. Nice job. Okay, now we're going to do the H in space test, okay? So, follow my finger, please. Do X in space.
Okay.
Okay. Center. Good. Excellent. Now we're just looking for nystagmus at the end stage, just to make sure everything's great. Looks like you're clear. Nice job. All right, now we're going to do the sensory and motor, and we're going to use that using this pinwheel. So it's going to be a little prickly, okay? So we're just going to come down. So I'm going to tell you, I'm going to ask you about the intensity, and you just tell me if the intensity is the same way all the way through, and then we'll ask it from both on the same side. Okay. Intensity same all the way through?
Yes.
Good. Intensity same all the way through?
Yes.
Same on both sides?
Yes.
Intensity the same all the way through?
Yes.
Intensity the same all the way through.
Yes.
Is it same intensity on both sides?
Yes.
Intensity the same all the way through.
Yes.
Intensity the same all the way through.
Yes.
Intensity the same on both sides.
Yes.
Excellent job. Now we're gonna do it with some cotton as well. So we're gonna do intensity the same all the way through.
Yes.
Intensity the same all the way through.
Yes.
Good. Same on both sides.
Yes.
Intensity the same all the way through.
Yes.
Intensity the same all the way through.
Yes.
Same on both sides.
Yes.
Intensity the same all the way through.
Yes.
Intensity the same all the way through.
Yes.
Same on both sides.
Yes.
Great. All right, now we're gonna be checking for muscle tone, so if I can have you clench your jaw for me. Good. Checking the temporalis masseter. Good. Now if you could open your jaw for me. Resist. Excellent job. Checking cranial nerve 7. All right, and we're gonna move on and have you raise your eyebrows for me. Excellent. Now close your eyes, real tight, real tight. Good. Then puff your cheeks and smile. And what was the funniest thing that happened today? All right, great. Now we're gonna check cranial nerve 8. I'm gonna have you close your eyes for me. And when you can you hear my finger?
Yes.
Let me know when you can no longer hear it.
No longer.
Good. Let me know when you can hear my finger.
Yes.
Good. Let me know when you no longer hear it.
No longer.
Great. Now we're gonna perform a Weber's test. Can you hear that?
Yes.
Good. Is it louder on one side or the other?
Louder on the left.
Good. So we're coming here.
Yeah.
Good. And how about here? Which was louder?
The one by my ear.
Okay. So for the rinds, we're going to place a tuning fork as we did on the mastoid. And then if you can still hear it, then since air conduction is longer than bone conduction in this ear, that means that your central nervous loss in the opposite ear. If bone conduction was longer than air conduction, that would be conduction loss in the opposite ear. Okay, great. So we're going to test your tandem gait. So I'm going to have you stand on it. Good. You're going to walk heel to toe with me just a few steps. So heel to toe, heel to toe. Excellent job. And turn around. We're going to do the same thing coming back, and I have to close your eyes, and I'm right here with you. So just take a couple steps. Great. Got you. Go ahead and sit on down. And we're going to check for resting nystagmus. Excellent. Good. So I'm going to have you open your mouth at this point. I'm going to be looking for atrophy and fasciculations are going to open up. Good. All right, go ahead and protrude your tongue. Good. Looking for any deviation, because if we had a deviation, you go ahead and put your tongue back in, we'd have a cranial nerve lesion on that same side. Okay, great. So at this point, then I'm going to have you also check I'm going to have you push your tongue out against your cheek and resist. Good. Let's do it on your side. Push your tongue out and resist. Good. I'm just testing for strength to see how things are there. At this point, I'm going to have you swallow. Good. It's bilateral on both sides, so we're excellent there. And then I'm going to have you open your mouth at this point. Good. Open it up. I'm going to have you say ah 5 to 7 times for me.
Ah, 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 ah.
Excellent. 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 So we're just looking to see if your palate raises on either side, and looking for the uvula. If it deviates to one side, that would indicate where the lesion is for us on the opposite side. Okay, great job. So now we're going to check a gag reflex. You ready for this? So I'm going to have you open up your mouth, and we're just going to check and see as you gag. Good. It's working good. We're going to try one more time on the other side. And we're good. Excellent job. So now we're going to observe the trapezius and check the SCMs for hypertonicity. So I'm going to have you push your hand in my head and resist. Good. And push your hand in my head and resist. Excellent job. Go ahead and raise your shoulders. Don't let me push down. Excellent.